What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to continue working on the Ram 2500. In this episode we're going to go ahead and complete the rest of the truck and get it ready for the next build. As I mentioned in the previous videos, we did get our paperwork back. We got a clean title for the truck. Check out the series right up here to see what the truck looked like before. Now we got our bumper, our roof lights, and we got the windshield in so we can install our cowl molding. We got a few more pieces to install on there. And this isn't the Gen 4 bumper. I've been doing some research and looking at some install videos, and I didn't really like the way the Gen 4 bumper fit on the truck. I'm gonna go ahead and go with the original look, get that installed, and wrap this up. So let's get started with today's episode.
Let's go ahead and throw that booster box on it and see what it does.
It's on yellow, but let's see if it'll crank this up.
Alrighty guys, so the booster box would not crank this big old 5.9 Cummins. So we're gonna go ahead and bring out this Jeep right here. This thing should easily crank it. Mopar, you know, it's blood to blood.
Look at where our battery's at.
Oh snap, the other side.
Long enough.
Go ahead and turn this big old beast around, I'll say. But this thing is looking absolutely slick, even though it's been sitting outside for months. There we go, boys. We got the Jeep out here.
You Jeep guys out there, let us know what gears we should run on this Jeep. It is running the 37s with a 5-inch lift. We do have the Rubicon stock 410 axles in it right now, so let us know what we should upgrade into.
Let's go ahead and get this truck to the shop and continue working. Man, that thing is shiny.
Oh yeah, nice and brand new looking. Go ahead and box everything. We'll figure out how this goes. Alright guys, so we got our bumper ready. We went ahead and installed the center brackets on the bumper itself. These are the two outer brackets. We painted those, touched them up a little bit. We got our trim piece in the center with this pod light right here. We're gonna go ahead and wire those up with our fog lights. So let's go ahead and throw it on the truck and wrap it up with the bumper. So everything is working. We're gonna go ahead and lean it in and get the rest of the brackets and attach this bumper. Let's go. just pop a few clips in and then we're gonna jump on the inside and start putting our headliner on. Alright guys, so we got the bumper on, the cow molding, and our headliner, and some other miscellaneous things on the truck. So now let's jump under here and change the oil. Got our filter out, full of oil. It was a bit of a challenge.
A little snail hiding right there.
Alright guys, so we got our filter nice and tight. Now we're going to go ahead and replace the drain bolt. And if you look at this one right here, he used a spacer or a washer, whatever you want to call it. And on the new one, there's a gasket and it says to replace it every time. And we had a pretty big leak. So let's go ahead and see if that'll take care of it.
Hopefully nothing's leaking over here. Easily, what is that, 5 quarts?
Yeah, so we only got 8 quarts, so we're gonna have to run to O'Reilly's and grab another 4 more. Alright guys, that's a wrap for this episode. We made a lot of progress on the truck. We got a bunch of things buttoned up, and it's the small things that take the most time. We got our front bumper, cow molding, headliner, and a bunch of other miscellaneous things finished up on the truck. With all that being said, thank you guys for all the love and support. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, turn on your post notifications not to miss out on what's coming next. Follow us on Instagram at DannyTV to get an inside sneak peek there before YouTube. We are going to be putting the truck back to work, so let us know on what kind of builds you want to see down in the comments. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. So we're on the road. We're gonna go ahead and fill it up. Let's see how much it takes.
This might take a while.
Man, she's moving slow. So diesel is $2.79 a gallon. Let's go ahead and see how much it takes to fill this up. And we do got that upgraded fuel tank for Holland. So let's go ahead and top it off. What are you guessing?
I'm guessing around $100. Oh, I think it's slowing down.
Nah, it's not even, it's just a little past halfway. But it is slowing down. Maybe we pumped all the diesel out.
$75. Yep, it stopped.